I use Samana Smart Steps Trader channel. So Nifty in confusing stage. It said it should go. It doesn't know why it is happening. We will see in the analysis. So start with the Nifty 50. Today Nifty minus 89 points, ended at 19,543. High is 19,623 and low is 19,497. 18 stocks ended positively and 32 stocks ended negatively. The top gainers are Adani Enterprises 1.67 percentage, Adani Food 1.63 percentage, IndusInd Bank 1.53 percentage, Titan 1.09 and ONGC 1.07 percentage. Top losers are Asian Paint minus 3 percentage, Kotak Bank minus 1.87, Britannia minus 1.32, ITC minus 1.24 and Nestle minus 1.21 percentage. So out of this 89 point negative, which is the biggest contributor to the negative side is HDFC Bank of 21.08% points and ICICI Bank 14.78 points negative contribution, ITC 11.37 point negative contribution. So the positive contributor is Reliance 8.26 points and IndusInd Bank 3.17 points and Titan 3.03 points. So sector wise, who is the major negative side contributor is obviously financial services minus 49 points negative contribution. Then fast moving consumer goods minus 19 points. So the positive side is oil and gas 10 point positive contribution, metal and mining 3.7 points. If you see the chart, the Nifty opened at minus 25 points and bit further it gone down and again it recovered. So at this stage it given the hope that it cover the back gap down and will go further upside. But it didn't. The hope it didn't retain there. It started falling down. From this point, if you see, so 120 point it came in the downside. So the entry until this there is no entry. You see this decisive candle penetrated the channel and coming down. So this is the entry point. So around 19,850. If anyone made a short portion, short entry here, the exit came here. So see, this is the on the doji candle. As per the price action, this doji confirmed that the price will go on the upper side. So this would be the exit point as per the price action. So if anybody made a short entry here, would have exited here, 40 points they will profited here. So because of this doji, at the same time, if they made an entry of long position here, there is a good profitability in the upper side. So because from there, it 80 points it came in the upper side. So always once it came above the channel, one has to be trailing the stop loss. So as per that concept, if anybody trailing the stop loss here, so after this end of this candle, once prices start moving, this will be the stop loss. Again after this candle, this will be the stop loss. So after this, it came down. So the stop loss will be triggered here. So the profit would be 70 points in this direction. Then the downside 40 points and on the recovery side some 70 points closely about 110 points in the profitability for the intraday traders if exactly they covered it. So again from there it around 100 points it came down and again a bit of recovery. So it was a huge here and there. I mean the volatility would be very good today. So if you see the 1 day chart, as per the 1 day chart, though it is in the above support line, but it is now still within the EMS channel. But this is the quite worrying place. The indicator also saying the same thing. It's in the sideways movement. Both CAS and DMI are very close to above 20 line. One of the biggest fact we can say that after the today's interest rate decision came, this volatile happened. But though we should not say that it is because of the interest rate, because it is the status quo today, there is no increase or decrease in the interest rate. So and it is a very scheduled event. So we cannot factor this downfall with this. So this is a happens periodically. So this today minus is like for Nifty it happens. So that way we can take it. So what the Bank Nifty says is today Bank Nifty today 0.76% is the minus rate, minus 338.8, ended at 44,541. The high is 44,980 and low is 44,418. Only two stock ended positively and the 10 stocks ended negatively. The top gainer is IndusInd Bank 1.53 percentage. The top losers are AU Bank minus 2.21 percentage, Kotak Bank minus 1.87, Bandhan Bank minus 1.33, Axis Bank minus 1.01, and Bank Baroda minus 0.98 percentage. So out of this minus 338 points, the biggest contributor in the negative side is ICICI Bank alone 102.8 points. So it is close to one third of today's fall, and very close to ICICI Bank. HDFC Bank also negatively contributed 98.21 points. Kotak Bank minus 79.02. So the only positive contribution significantly is IndusInd Bank 46 points positive contribution. If you see the chart, somehow it is very similar to Nifty movement today. It had a gap down of minus 80 point. From then it go in the upper side. So it well covered the gap down and it gone up upper side. So many traders think that it will go on the upper side, but from there it started down from this point. From here, this point, 500 point, it came down. So for their intraday traders, the entry would be in the from this down going opposite. This would be the entry and the exit at this point. So again, the entry would be this point. Again, you can say because while once take the position would have tailed the stop loss. So accordingly, the entry and the exit made it in the same place. Again, it came down until this. So this would be a good capturing. So from the downwards, again a 225 is recovered. The entry came out here, this place, according to the price action. If anybody take a entry here, the exit would be this one because it penetrated the channel and came back. So the nominally 150 points only able to cover this side. So further to this, there is no much for, but it is in the sideways movement. If you see the one-day chart, uh, the Bank Nifty, it's well below the channel. So this is worrying for. So it didn't giving hope that it will go in the opposite because the minus 338 point again see a big candle here. The indicator also showing the same thing. SDMI penetrated 20 lane and came down close to 15. So this showing that Bank Nifty in the downside. So already we talked about the interest rate. So if you see the whole market, the Eagles view, excluding the large cap, the mid and small cap 400 index ended minus 12 points only. But still, it is giving the hope. It is well above the EMA channel. The total market index, which includes large, mid, small, and micro cap, that is minus 34 points today. Still, that chart also, if you see, it's well above the EMA channel. Still, this both are giving the hope that market may go on upper side further. We have to wait and see. So the FIA data today, the FIR are 331 net buying and DA 703 crores net buying. So both are in the net buying only. Up to this month, the FIA is 4,473 crores net selling and DA 4,853 crores net buying. This is the monthly wise FIAD data for your reference. Our big brother US market, the DG, yesterday ended minus 0.54% negatively, that is 191 point in the downside. 35,123 it closes. So if you see the chart, it still the closer happened at the within the channel. It didn't break the channel, so still it giving a bit of hope. It may go further in the upper side. Okay, what the broad market index S&P 500 is? It is closed below the channel. Yesterday it minus 31 points, ended at 4,467. So this is below the channel. So this giving some worry to us. If you see the indicator, the minus DMI at 20 line exactly, and plus DMI also keep coming down. So there is the possibility of this will cross each other. If that happens, it go coming further downside. Obviously, the DJ also comes down. So it is very crucial stage now. DJ giving some bit hope, but S&P 500 not giving the hope. So it is contradicting. So we have to see tomorrow in both the indexes are confirming in one direction. So this about this video. This is a learning purpose only. Don't take any trading or investment decision based on this. Always do your own study and analysis and take your own decision with the guidance of your SEBI registered advisor. See you in next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.